All right, bro, check this out. So we have this Xtouch by Behringer. We have the XR X18, XR18. It's a rack mount. This is where the brains is. So we run an Ethernet from this to the router, like the router to this, and then the router to the back of this with the Ethernet data cable. And then we wirelessly are communicating with all of this from the laptop through that router. It's a gaming router I bought from Costco. You can use any kind of good router. I like to use those big ones because they seem to hold up really well. And we have the iPad connected to the router. So, like for example, if I wanted to take fader 1, fade it up, this has got motorized faders. And it's pretty much like an analog, just pretend like it's an analog board, and we can pretty much control everything but digitally, which is nice. You can see our meters of all our different channels coming. I only got a laptop hooked up right now, and you go back, we can see different things here. I'm actually going to have to load more effects in here, which is kind of cool. So I'm learning about this. So this has been a learning progress. I like it so far. I know the sound quality is really good with this. This is pretty much like a baby version of the X32. For the Midas preamps, the Midas style preamps is not the actual full Midas preamps, but it's close. This is a really good start. I've had this guy for a while, and I've been wanting to use it. So we do a lot of, I do some corporate gigs, church plays. In case below here, I got all of our mics and stuff. I got another video coming soon on that. So subscribe to our channel. But right here, I'm going to plug in the first 8 wireless mics up top. And then I'm also going to have like the DJ, a couple of channels for controller for DDJ RZX, and then maybe for another DJ here. Auxiliary input for Bluetooth, and other hookups. So, yeah, maybe a piano keyboard or a guitar, drum set, whatever. So, we can have our stage monitors. We can route those for stage monitors for output. Got a mains for the RCF rig, or we can route some of these to like for subwoofers and stuff, which is cool. And I didn't use the XR built-in routers. Is only a single band. Kind of sucks. It will drop. It's not as strong, so that's the reason for going with an external router. A lot of these consoles, larger consoles, 32 channel consoles, you want to use an external router anyway. I didn't go with the big M32 console yet because I don't see myself doing bands and stuff like that. I don't need 32 channels. I see something small and basic, compact. I put it in this nice DJ controller type row case, which is cool. And this is my old 17-inch MacBook Pro with 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, quad-core i7. So I'm just sitting here in my living room just kind of messing around with it. So far, I like how this is operating. So next we're going to be hooking up some speakers up to it again. And it sounded pretty good. We use a little small speaker system. This laptop here is for running music off of, like background music. That's what's coming out of there now. That's the signal you see with that meter. So it's pretty neat. And real quick, those of you who are having trouble with when you hook up this thing to an external router. Say, for example, software says it found the unit, but it will not connect. Make sure you take a paper clip, and don't be like me, kind of stupid. But take a paper clip, and you stick it right in this little hole right there. There's a little hole right there. You hold it in for about, they say hold it for about 3 seconds. So you stick it in that hole right there for about 3 seconds. And what's cool, you'll be able to reset it. And then you just power the whole unit down, turn it back on, and then it should connect to your router. So they didn't say that in the training videos and the tutorials. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But anyway, this is the first look with the Xtouch by Behringer and the XR18. This stuff been out for a while, for about, I believe, 3 or 4 years now, about 3 years. And I put it in this nice little roll case, so that way you can protect your investment. This is a case from a universal DJ controller case, so that's why I put this in here. So we're gonna have the laptop displayed up there, so we can see all of our faders, which is cool. But anyway, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and I'm gonna be posting more videos soon on this rig. So stay tuned. Peace out.